Hello friends, are you interested in knowing more about best laptops under 55,000 in India 2021? If yes, here comes the list of brands along with my reviews. I am Naveen Kumar, welcome to my channel offer Amazon. Now, we are going to discuss and know more about the best laptops under 55,000 India. And this is important, I did not pick the laptops based on my personal opinion. The laptops are picked up based on actual data, which includes global sales records, Amazon bestsellers list. Finally, there's an expert's pick that you must look at to gain complete information about laptops under 55,000 in India. All product best buying link given in description. If you buy from this link, the channel will be of great help and maybe you get some discount. Number 5 on my list, HP Pavilion X360 Core i5 10th Gen 14-inch FHD touchscreen 2-in-1 Alexa-enabled laptop. The battery standby time is 9 hours. Dual mode touchscreen. The dual HP speakers provide enriched music. The processor lags in performance. HP Pavilion is a very stylish looking, sleek, slim and glossy silver finish. The HP Pavilion is loaded with Intel Core i3 7th generation processor for smooth computing. The monitor has a touchscreen. The steel hinges are strong. This is the product of the very best laptop, which comes with 1TB HDD. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 4 on my list, Dell Inspiron 5406 11th Gen 14-inch FHD 2 inches 1 laptop. The convertible laptop has a modern, sleek and ultra-compact design and is loaded with the latest Intel i3 7th generation processor for an optimum workload and smooth performance. The operating system of Windows 10 Home is pre-installed along with MS Office software. The battery standby time is considerable. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 3 on my list, Acer Aspire 5 Intel Core i5 11th Gen laptop. Acer Aspire 5 is the only gaming laptop under 50K on our list. The design of Acer Aspire 5 is a popular part of this laptop worth noting. The Aspire features a weight of about 1.8 kg. One appealing part of the design entails the backlit keyboard. The backlit feature makes it easier for you to handle many of your work needs in many environments. The 4.2 by 3.1 inch touchpad is also helpful for any hand. The 1920x1080 HD display on this Acer laptop provides an excellent view, while the brightness on the laptop screen deserves to be noted, though. The performance on this Acer laptop is bolstered by a 10th generation Intel Core i5-8265U processor. The robust design operates at 1.6 GHz and can work with a turbo rate of 4.20 GHz on 4 cores. The left side features a gigabit Ethernet port, 2 USB 3.1 ports, an HDMI port and an SD card reader. The right side features 2 USB 2.0 ports and an audio jack. The power supply port is also on the right side. You will not see any optical disc drives on this model. The 8GB RAM is great considering the enhanced gaming laptop experience. The 512 SSD GB hard drive is something worth noting too. Acer is one of the first companies to offer the best laptop under 30,000 with SSD drives. The battery on this laptop works for 7 hours. The webcam produces a maximum resolution of 1280x720. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 2 on my list, HP 14 Ryzen 5 15.6-inch laptop. The HP Notebook 14 laptop is lightweight and portable at about 1.43 kg. The 14-inch screen offers an HD resolution of a mere 1366x768. The Ryzen 5 3500U processor operates at 2.1 GHz. The overclocking function is ideal for high-end programs and multimedia programs. This HP laptop comes with 8GB RAM and 6MB cache for turbo boost to make sure the laptop works perfectly on a high load. If there's one thing the HP 14 knows how to do, it entails producing high-quality sounds. The notebook uses Bang & Olufsen speakers that process sounds with care. The sound quality is outstanding on this model. The left-hand part of HP Notebook 14 features two USB 3.1 ports for fast connections and HDMI and Ethernet ports. You'll find a third USB port, an SD card reader, and a DVD drive on the right side. The HP Notebook 14 operating system powered by Windows 10 Home, battery backup of 5 hours and 1TB 5400 revolutions per minute hard drive plus 256GB SSD. The 720p webcam is suitable for many needs, but you could still find an external webcam that would probably do better. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 1 on my list, Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3 15.6-inch FHD thin and light laptop. The Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3 is the top pick laptop under 50,000, which comes with the most advanced specifications at a balanced price. Easily the best laptop in the market. Useful for daily purposes, light gaming, and work from home. The Ideapad Slim 3 features a 15.6 inches anti-glare screen. The Ideapad Slim 3 is about 1.85 kilograms in weight. This is a little lighter than other comparable models, but not by much. The 180-degree hinge makes it easy for you to move the screen up and down. Why is this in our top pick? The laptop comes with a 10th generation Intel Core i5-1035G1 processor that operates at 3.6 GHz max. The AMD Radeon 530 NVIDIA graphics card varies by configuration, available with 2 GB DDR5. Honestly, this Lenovo Slim 3 is the best laptop one can get for daily usage or even for heavy usages like software and games. The Dolby Audio processor also produces quality audio without distortion. The sampling and control rates are consistent and will ensure the audio stays intact at all times. The SSD plus HDD disk drive combination provides better control for OS performance and storage. The battery on the Ideapad Slim 3 lasts for about 5.5 hours of battery backup. The limit is average, what with so many other laptops lasting for hours more on average. The left-hand side features USB 2.0 and 3.1 ports on the side. The USB 3.1 standard is faster than the older ones. The 640x480 webcam on the top part of the Ideapad Slim 3 is average, just like every laptop from all companies. You might be better off plugging an external webcam into one of the USB ports on the side instead. This latest laptop is relatively cheap when compared with other laptops on the market. You can get the Ideapad Slim 3 for about 50,000 rupees. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, have a nice day.